Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing U.S. visas from Thailand, and we're specifically discussing name changes. And I've had this come up, and this issue kind of arose rather frequently. Somebody told me, oh, well, we don't have to mention this name I had. And to be clear, from an American perspective, this sounds rather strange. But from a Thai perspective, it really is not. Name changes are quite frequent here in Thailand, and it's a pretty straightforward process to change one's name in Thailand. Simply requires a trip to the local civil registrar office, fill out some paperwork, and you have a new name, and a name change certificate is issued associated with that name. Now, I have seen situations in Thailand where somebody will be applying for a U.S. visa, and they'll say, oh, I used that name years ago. We don't need to put that down, do we? Yes, we do. One's name is considered a material fact associated with a petition. So notwithstanding the fact that one hasn't used a given name for a prolonged period of time, leaving it out can cause a major issue in processing a case, and rectifying that omission can be daunting. I've dealt with it a few times on the back end where somebody's omitted a name and then we've had to deal with it when we're either dealing with the embassy or sometimes when we're dealing with National Visa Center. It's not a fun process. It's time consuming. An explanation needs to be made, and it is something that should be avoided. And it can be easily avoided and forestalled by simply disclosing a name change at the time of the initial filing. Just disclose all your names. If you're using us to assist you in processing your visa case, just let us know what all your names are. In our intake process, we ask that question. Let us know. We'll make sure it processes through and your names are noted, and that can all go on the record so that we can transparently make certain that you're adjudicated for the correct visa that you are seeking to the United States.